anything in the chart? Yes, practice and consistency. Yes, that's really one of the uh, key things which required for the success. Practice and consistency. Okay, so there are certain things in which NEET exam is different from other exams. Okay, so in some exams you have to study more, you have to spend more hours so that you can get better rank. In some exams you have to be sharp with your timing, okay, so that you can get better marks. So NEET is one exam where you have lot of competition, okay, so where you have to fight for uh, with many students for a single seat, because you all know that we have less number of colleges, and we have a lot of competition for that. So everyone wants to be a doctor, because doctor is such a profession which gives us self satisfaction, saving the life, and also which gives us more financial stability. It is beneficial in terms of self satisfaction and also in terms of financial. Okay, so we cannot deny that factor. So to be successful in NEET exam, what we need is, as Sunita has said, consistency and smart preparation. Okay, so if you keep on preparing for 3 hours or 4 hours or 8 hours per a day, and if you don't plan your steps in a smart way, you cannot be successful in NEET. Okay, so every student, all of you must have lot of materials. You must be having PDFs, textbooks, you must be having recorded videos or online lessons. There are many things available on the internet. Okay, so in this information era, there is no lack of information. So we have a lot of information. So the key factor which will impact your success is the information and how you use that information. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You have 100 GB of data or you have 100 PDFs. All matters is how you are going to utilize that data and how you are processing that data. Okay, so what we thought is, if you look at Nitshala app, so many of you must be aware of how to use or what are the features in Nitshala. So I will explain them in detail. But if you look at those features, you must be knowing that we don't have one normal format where you can go and you can watch videos, or you can just listen to someone talking. So it's not like that, right? So you must have observed that we have features where you will learn, where you can practice, or where you can take the test, or where you can take the flashcards, where you can memorize. So our goal is to provide you tools which will help you to process the information. Okay, which will not only give you the information, they will make you process the information. Okay, so if you look at the Nitshala, so uh, we have fundamentally four principles at Nitshala. Okay, so based on these four principles, we design every feature. Okay, the first principle is each student is different. Okay, your learning needs are different. Okay, I will show you how. So how you can relate this first point. Okay, and the second point is consistency in preparation. So when you are preparing for the NEET, there should be consistency. It's not like that you will prepare 20 hours to sorry, you will prepare 2 hours today, and tomorrow you will prepare for 1 hour, and the day after tomorrow you will prepare for 5 hours. It's not like that. So it should not be random, it should be consistency. If you are preparing for 2 hours every day, so prepare it 2 hours every day. If you are preparing for 5 hours a day, so prepare for 5 hours. So there should be consistency. It should not be like random things. Okay, so Nitshala helps you to achieve that consistency. Okay, that is our second principle. the third principle is we will give the students freedom to learn on their own pace. Okay, so we don't force you to learn everything today. Okay, so we don't say that okay you have to practice these particular lessons today, and if you cannot practice these two lessons today, you will miss your goal. So it's not like that. We give you freedom so that you can learn at your own pace, at your own time. That is our third principle. And our fourth principle is everything, whether you are preparing or whether you are making a test, so everything we want to measure. So if you have taken test today, so we want to measure how much progress you have done. If you are practicing MCQs or if you are practicing flashcards, we want to measure how much progress you have made. So without measuring or without quantifying, we cannot say that how much progress you have made. So that is the reason. So we want to measure everything. So that is our fourth principle. So this is a small presentation, students. So I don't want to make much presentation. I don't want to spend more time on the presentation. So I just wanted to give you some idea why we started Neetshala and how we are designing that Neetshala. So any questions so far before I move to app? Anything which you cannot understand, or anything which I have not able to, which I am not able to explain to you? You can ask me freely. Any questions you can type in the chat box also, no problem. Let's make this session interactive. Okay. Okay, so let me stop sharing my presentation, and I will I will share the app. Okay, students, can you see my screen, Neetshala website? So can someone answer? So you are going to be future doctors. You should talk more. I am audible. I am audible, right? So you can hear me, right? Okay. Okay. So friends, once you log into Neetshala app, or once you create your website, okay, the most important thing is that you should set your goal. Okay, so as I told you, every student is different. Your learning needs are different. So you may want to achieve 95% of marks in NEET exam, and someone else wants to achieve 96%. Someone else wants to achieve 90%. So it all depends. Okay, so here there is a field called NEET exam goal. Okay, so here you can go click on the change button, and you can drag this slider. Okay, you can set this. Okay, whether it is 78% or whether it is 88%. Okay, so it's up to you. What is your goal? Okay, so can someone tell me what is your goal? What should I set here now? I will tell you later on why this is required. Okay, so shall I set it at 90%? Okay, someone is asking me to set 93. Okay, let me set it to 93. Okay, I set it to 93 and now I am saving it. Okay. Okay, team. So here the main benefit of setting this goal is, okay, based on this goal, whenever you attempt weekly test or any customized test in Neetshala, okay, so if you score less than 93% in any of the lessons or any of the units, okay, so Neetshala will create one action item, okay, so those action items you can check here, my actions, okay, so if you click on my actions, okay, so currently I don't have any actions here. Team, are you able to see my screen? Oh, okay, so I think, okay, I'm resharing it, give me a minute. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay, fine then. Okay, I just explained you that how to change the goal, right? So this is where I have changed the goal. I set it to 93%. Okay, so if you click here and you can drag this slide and you can change your goal. Okay, so most of you, I think you know that. Okay, so once you set the 93% goal, okay, so the benefit of setting that goal is you can whenever you take any test, okay, weekly test, okay, so if you score less than 93% in that particular test or in that particular for that particular unit or lesson, okay, so you will have one action, okay, so the system will say, okay, so Sam, you have scored less than 93% in that particular chapter, so you have to prepare more in that chapter, okay, so it will give me action items, okay, so I will show you that how that will work. So if you go to actions, my actions, okay, so currently I don't have any actions, okay, so you can filter the actions also here. I don't have any actions, so once I attempt at least one exam, okay, at least one weekly test, then I will get these actions, okay, so I don't have any actions now. Okay, so another thing I want to show you is the analytics. Okay, if you go to the analytics, okay, there are analytics based on the subject and based on the chapter. Okay, since I have created this demo account, okay, so what you here see is just one example. Okay, so if you have attempted a different test, okay, on 17th October, 24th October, and 31st October, how is your progress in those subjects? Okay, so you can also see based on the subject also. Okay, for physics, you can select only physics. Okay, so since it is a new account, I don't have any analysis here. Okay, So only thing is, whatever you can see here is, another thing is you can see for the different periods, like for 1 month, for 3 months, for 6 months, for 12 months, and 18 months, and 2 years. Okay. So if your goal is to attend the exam in 2023 or 2024, okay, so you can track your progress through this period. Okay. So maybe I will show you once I attempt some exam. Okay. You will get the data here. Okay. And similarly, this is the subject wise, right? Similarly, you can select the chapter wise also. Okay. See here, you will get various chapter wise. So if you select subject, you can select chapter. Okay. You can select multiple chapters also. Okay. So select them, and once you click on submit, you will get the graph here, but I no graph to show for this chapters because I have not attempted any test. Okay. Okay, team. So now the obvious question is how to utilize the all the features of Needshala. So to utilize these features, we have designed a program called 4-step score booster. Okay, so you all must be knowing that, or if you don't know, let me explain to you what is 4-step score booster. So if you go to the home page, you can see that 4-step score booster is, as the name implies, it has 4 steps. Okay, it has weekly study plan and weekly target test and customized test and mock test. Okay, so weekly study plan. So every week you will have certain chapters. Those chapters will be already defined for you. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, so only thing is, if I go to that particular page, for example, if I go to 4-step score booster, maybe let me go to Bright 2022. Okay, this is the page where you do all the preparation, all the test and everything. Okay, so 4-step score booster. Okay, so you can select the date, you can set your own date. Okay, so there is nothing like you have to start from today or from tomorrow. Okay, so it is up to you. So whenever you want, you can start it, and whenever you want to change date at any point of time, you can change. For example, say you set it as 1st November for the first week. Okay, so similarly, the second week will start from the, sorry, you have set here as December 1st, and here it will be December 8th, right? But for some reason you are traveling or you cannot start your second week preparation immediately. Okay, so you can set it as December 10th. Okay, what happens if you go down, the dates will be calculated automatically. Okay, so you don't have to set manually. Okay, since you have made it, changed it to 10, it will be 17th after 7 days. The third week will start after 7 days, and similarly the fourth week will start from the 24th. So here also, if you don't want to if you don't want to start preparation on the 24th, you can change date here to, maybe if you say that for 1 week you are not able to prepare, so you can make it as January 1st. Okay, accordingly the next date will start from the week 5 will start from the January 8th. Okay, so students, you must have seen that there is one customized test after every 4 week. What this customized test do is, so you have prepared for these 4 weeks and you have taken the test. Okay, for these 4 weeks. Okay, so after taking the test, the customized test will, what it will do is, based on your weak areas. Okay, it will select particular questions and it will prepare a test for you. Okay, this test will be different for each student. Okay, it completely depends on your performance on previous weeks. Okay, this will go live only after completing of these 4 weeks. Okay, you cannot attempt customized test without attempting the 4 weeks of test, because sorry, it will not serve the purpose. Okay, similarly you can set for week 5, week 6, week 8. Okay, after week 8 you have a customized test. Okay, second one, and every week like this you can set the dates, and you can take the customized test. Okay, after all these dates, sorry, all these tests, and once you complete the weeks, you will have the mock test. Okay, there are 5 mock tests. Okay, so it depends on, some plans have 5 mock tests, some have 6, 7 mock tests. Okay, so similarly, this is 20 weeks, right? So similarly, we have another plan which is for the 27 weeks, 4 step score booster extra care. Okay, here you can see, uh, after you can see week 8. Okay, so you have we have week 27. Okay, so we are giving more 7 weeks for the revision of the chapters. Okay, so then similarly we have the mark test, 7 mark test we have. Okay, so team, I will just show you how to take test. Okay, so far any questions regarding this? Students, I want you to ask me questions. Okay, so of course it is easy to understand, but you may be having some doubts. So the main purpose of this webinar is to clarify your questions. Any questions? Okay, so let me show you how to create this, how to take the test. Okay, okay, for example, I have set this as 29/11, so I have not yet set the dates. So the main thing is we should set the dates. Team, are you able to see my screen? No. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay, so I think you are able to see now. Okay, so so this is I am going to set the date. I have to just show you. You can set any date here. So even you can take the past dates. So to just to show you and to take the test, I am setting this date in past. Okay, so maybe let me set it as the last week, maybe 22nd. Okay, I will save these dates. Okay, so you can see all the dates have been changed here. Okay, so everything is showing. Okay, so let me just refresh this screen so that I can see the option to take test. Okay, so here you can see weekly target test live from 27/11. So it means that I can take this test. Okay, so I'm clicking on this test. Okay, so students, we have two options here: online pattern, offline pattern. Okay, offline pattern is something which will make you, which will simulate the actual NEET exam, because NEET exam is not online like other exams. Okay, so in online pattern, you will get the questions one after other, but in the offline pattern you will get the questions like in a A4 sheet. Okay, you will get all the questions at a time. So for that reason, I will select offline pattern. Okay, you will get all the instructions here. This, since this is a weekly test, it has only 80 minutes of time and 80 questions are there. Okay, so I am clicking on start. Okay, so I don't know. So just to show you, I am just selecting some random answers. Okay, my intention is to show you how the app works. So let me take some samples. Okay, so for any reason, if you feel that you are not able to whatever the question you have selected is wrong, or you don't want to select that question, so you can simply click on clear. Okay, or if you want to, okay, so you have selected this question but you are not sure whether this option is correct or wrong. Okay, in that case you can mark review later. Okay, so what review later is, it will highlight that question in a different color. Okay, so that before submitting you can review that question if you have the time. Okay, so similarly here also, for example, so I don't know this question option is correct or wrong, so I will select review. Okay, so if you click again review, okay, so it will be, the color will be removed. So let me submit this test. I have randomly selected some questions. Okay, so now I am submitting it. Okay, so now I got the results. So here you can see subject wise how much you have got. So since I have selected the random answers, so I don't expect much results. So my marks is 2, which is very poor, and my percentage is only 1%. Okay, so here after completing of the question, you can also see which chapters you need to improve. Okay, so here you can see correct answers, correct how many wrong answers, how many you have not attempted, and what are your marks for each chapter. Okay, which chapters I am doing good. So obviously I don't have any chapters where I have done good. Okay, even average also not there because my performance is very poor and I have selected the random questions, random answers. Okay, so now you can see here actions are generated and updated based on the results. Okay, click here to go to my actions. So team here, this is the actions I want to show you. So if you click this actions, okay, here you can see. So you need to work hard on chapter classification of living and organisms. So these are the actions which will guide you to prepare. Okay, so where you are lagging behind and where you need to improve your score. Okay, and also once, for example, say for classification of living and organisms, you have prepared for 2 days and you feel that I am comfortable now. Okay, so now you can mark this as mastered. Okay, similarly, if you are preparing for the second one, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, you can mark this as preparing. Okay, and you can filter your actions. So for example, say you want to show only preparing. Okay, it will show you the chapters which you are preparing. Or if you want to show or revise the chapters which you have mastered, so you can select that. Sorry, if you select mastered, and it will show you. So again you can change the you can change the status if you want. Okay, so if you feel that okay, you mastered it earlier but you want to prepare it again, you can mark them as prepare again. Okay, this is how actions will help you. Okay, you can see all the actions. And now if I go to the analytics, okay, as I showed you earlier, okay, so I have taken only one test. Okay, because of that reason my performance is very poor in the first chapter. It is my score is minus 10. Okay, minus 10 in physics. So if I keep on working on the test, so my score should keep on going up. Okay, so the graph should be in upward moment. So it means that I am working hard and I am moving towards my goal. Okay, so similarly, so every week you have to prepare for the what chapters you have to prepare. You can check the syllabus. You can have you can get all the tapes. Okay, and in which chapters you have to prepare, and also you can, if you click on how to prepare today, you will get lot of options. You can practice MCQ. You can take notes, you can take chapter wise test, you can take you can go to discussion and you can ask any questions. Okay, and also after taking the test you can check your results anytime and you can get the answer key at any point of time. So similarly, once you complete all the test for week week 2, week 3 and week 4, you will be able to get the customized test. So students, any questions? So I'm happy to answer you questions. So if you have any questions, you can unmute and you can ask me. No questions? Yes, Harsh. We can get. Harsh was asking whether we can get 570. Yes, we can get it. So we have students where they got more than 650, 670. So definitely you can get 570. So only thing is you have to follow the uh, pattern and the syllabus we have given in the 4-step score booster. Okay, so uh, so let me show you. So what is the so maybe obviously you may have the question how much it will cost. So all our score boost plans are very minimal price. So 4-step extra care will cost only 1,499 rupees, and 4-step bright 2022 will cost only 999 rupees. Okay, so it's only so if you calculate for 20 weeks it will be only 5 to 7 rupees per every day. So we priced them so that it will be available to every student. So any other questions, students? You can message me the box in the chat also. Yes, you have the answer key with the solutions. So if you go to answer key here, if you go to answer key, you will have the answer. What is your answer? How everything will be available. What was your selected answer? Whether it is wrong or right. Okay. If you are unattempted, you have not attempted that answer, you will have nothing. Any other questions, students? Or you want me to show anything else? You can ask me. You can unmute and you can ask if you have any question. Yes, Suchitra. Yeah. Actually, this is it. This works as timetable also, because if you look at the uh, score booster plan, okay. So if you look at here, so yeah, we will have the weekly planner here. We don't have the plan for every day. Okay. So each day you have to prepare. You have to plan from day one to day one for this chapter, day two for this chapter. We have not that kind of micro management, uh, because we want you to select the chapters based on your mood and based on your ability to concentrate. Okay. So for example, okay, so for the biology, if the living world is the uh, chapter you have to prepare for this week, you can prepare that throughout the week. So any week you can make it happen. So it's not like that you have to prepare today only. You can prepare it today for reproduction in organisms, and day after tomorrow you can prepare for the living world. But the idea here is to prepare at your own pace, at your own time, but stick to the weekly plan. So that's the main idea behind the score booster. No, I don't think you will be late for NEET now, because we are at the last moment in the November, last week of November. Still, you have time. Okay, so all you have to do is stick to this weekly plan. Okay, so during this weekly plan, go through all the notes, go through all the chapters, and take the test. Okay, after that, check your action items and do the revisions. Okay, so based on that, I am sure that you can definitely score high in NEET exam. So nothing is late. So only thing is uh, start preparing from this week onwards. Okay. Okay, Harsh, still you have time to pick up. Okay, yeah, that's really good. So any other questions, team? So we got questions from Suchitra, Harsh Singh. So others are not, no questions from others. So I hope everyone is understanding, or they know Nirshala app. Okay then. Okay, team. I think we are exactly at 7:45. If you don't have any questions, yeah, Shweta Sahu, sir, is it paid test? Yes, Shweta, some of the features in Inshallah is free. Some features are uh, paid. Okay, for example, four-step score booster. This is paid one. Okay, so to take the test, to follow the plan, everything, you have to make the payment. But for other things like to prepare for the MCQs, you don't have to make the payment. You can directly start preparing. Okay, you can use the question bank without any payment. You can do the practice of MCQ, and you can do the flashcards without any payment. But I suggest, if you want to make use of Nidshala features, I suggest you to take the four-step score booster, because it's the price, as I said earlier, it is very minimal. It's only 999 rupees. Okay, thank you, Shweta. So, any other questions, team? So, you can reach us anytime. So, you can reach us through Telegram, through Facebook page, through Instagram. So, so we are available anywhere. So, if you have any questions, you can write to us even. So, you can write to us contact@neetshala.in. Okay, so you can write to us anytime. One-to-one interaction, Shweta, we don't have one-to-one interaction, but you can talk. You can talk if you want to have any kind of interaction with anyone. You can write to us. But subject-wise, we don't have any one-to-one interaction. Yes, for WhatsApp guidance also we have a group for WhatsApp. You can join that WhatsApp group. Once you are part of 4 Step Score Booster, you can join the WhatsApp guidance program also. Yeah, we will send you the details. Okay, once you join the 4 Step Score Booster, so we will send you the details. Okay, how to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, okay. Thank you, Suchitra. Yeah. Yeah, we will soon send that details. Okay, so we will soon send that WhatsApp and Telegram group details. So, any other questions, students? If you have any suggestions or any feedback, you can write to us. Okay, so we are open to your suggestions and your problems. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can write to us. Okay, if you have any suggestion, like for example, if you see that Neetshala needs to add some feature, so you can explain that feature, and if you we will analyze, and if that feature is useful to most of the students, then we will implement that. Or if you feel that now if you have any suggestions now also you can give me. Okay, then I think I don't see any questions, so I think we can close this webinar. So thank you, students. Thank you for your participation and thank you for your interest. It's really very interactive. So I hope maybe in the next sessions we will have more students talking. Okay, so it will be more lively and more interactive if you can talk. Okay, thank you all. So I think we can close the webinar for today. Thank you.